Hello, it is me in a very dark, dark kitchen. I haven't done a vegan, queer vegan kitchen in a very long time because it takes a long time to make these videos, okay? And it was a long time ago. So I decided I'm a cook, so I might as well just film it, and because so many people keep asking me, can you do a queer vegan kitchen again? So I apologize for like the quality and like blah blah, but you're gonna deal with it. Because the other ones that I did were like super bright, because that kitchen was so bright and like it was light out, and it's dark right now because like I'm alone in the house, so might as well. So what are we making today, Chasey Poo? What are we making today? Well, we're making potato. Potato! That sounds like a Harry Potter. It sounds like a Harry Potter spell. We're making Potato-Lentil Curry. So it calls for like, I think like normal rice, but like you know me with turmeric rice. Turmeric rice. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I guess I'll like take out all the ingredients and show you. I'm just gonna like, I bought like a memory card that has a lot of memory on it. I have 7 hours to record, so we got this. I could just keep rolling in the deep. That feel when you can't find your lentils. Oh, that's right, I cook in my long johns. Okay, I found them, they're right here. Why are they up here? Why are there so many things up here? What is this? Is this mint? Mint extract, what is this? Alright, so before you start, you should probably have a clean kitchen. Yo, we use a lot of glasses in this apartment, okay? So it's hard to like do all the dishes, cause like glasses, like cups. So there's like some dishes in the sink, but like don't look. Alright, so the lighting is horrible. I feel like I should probably bring my lamp in here and like, no, this is the side that has, I would have to put the lamp there. Maybe if I tried to steal my roommate's lamp, but there's no plug. So where did I get this recipe? I got it from No Meat Athlete. I guess I can put the link. I guess it's online somewhere. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need, okay, by the way, also, I double this recipe because, not like, I double it. You know what I thought? I'm gonna have to make sure that I make this video fast because the battery doesn't last 7 hours. I double the recipe, so I'm just gonna tell you the double of everything. So 2 cups of brown lentils. 2 fist-sized potatoes. Are you kidding me? Do I look like a potato? Yes. I will take more than 2. Well, I mean, sorry, that would be 4. 4? Nah, I'm gonna put 8. Probably even more. I love potato. It's called potato lentil. You're not gonna put 2? A medium, 2 medium onion. 2 medium onion. 3 cloves of garlic. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna take 3 of these to put in here. I'm dramatic, obviously. And then you're gonna need 2 cans of coconut milk. I use the light ones. They don't taste as coconutty, which is great because I'm not really a coconutty person. Gonna need some curry, some coriander, turmeric. I have some turmeric right over here. And you know I'm obsessed, so don't worry. I actually have 2 other things of turmeric that are full in the cabin. You're gonna need half a lemon, but like, I don't do that. Oh, and you're actually gonna need, I'm not in the frame anymore. You're gonna need carrots and peas, frozen but thawed. It's like the last step of the recipe anyway, so like I just take it and just like put it on the side and it'll thaw. De-thaw? No, thaw. Thaw. And then you need 3 cups of water. I don't know. Whatever. I don't even know why I told you this. We're just gonna go with it. We're gonna do the thing and let's start cutting some things. I also really like listening to music while I cook, so I'm just gonna like fast forward this so I can listen to my own music so I can monetize this video. That broke life. Alrighty, so onions make you cry. Onions are like ogres. Damn, every time. Ogres are like onions. So, you're gonna cut them. They don't have to be like super small, but they also not super big because like you're sauteing them with the garlic and then after you're putting the dry seasonings inside. So like, don't judge the way I cook, okay? Don't judge the way I cut. It works for me. Doesn't work for you, then make your own queer kitchen video. I'm kidding, that's so rude. You see how much garlic I have here? This is gonna be fun to like, I feel like I need a machine to like make it all small and shit, you know what I'm saying? Okay, the music's on like Look at this. Look at this. This is all the garlic I have. Also, my eyes are killing me. Oh my god. All right, so this is like the garlic. I mean, I know it's chunky, but like whatever. So we're actually gonna move on to the pot because we're gonna do some stuff there. Look at that pot. This apartment is literally so crooked that right now is like, oh my god, is that like super crooked? Am I straight? Ha! So you turn this thing on. Not too high, calm down. And then you're gonna take some coconut oil. Coconut oil is great, so like, loud much. And then it like goes really quickly, so I just add like just a little more. It's just, you know, it's like solid right now. And then we're gonna put the onions in right away. So the onions are like really, I probably should have cut it more, but like, you know, whatever. So, oh, actually. So I was listening to Sia. Good old Spotify. But, you know, can't put that on YouTube. I mean, I know it should be heated up more, but like, that's not for here. Oh, see, it doesn't make that noise. You know that wasn't ready. I'm doing the spices! I'm doing the spices! I'm coming down! Oh yeah, you get that nice little simmer in there. You can't even see anything. Not that that's any better, but you know, at least you get some view. Oh my god, that's gonna smell so good. You gotta let that brown. You gotta let that brown. This kind of takes a little bit of time. Well, while this is happening, we just gotta start putting the spices together. Look how good that looks. So, not that you care, but you need, ooh, my eyes hurt. You need 1 teaspoon of coriander, 2/4 teaspoon turmeric, LOL, I put like a full tablespoon in there. You need some cardamom, you need 2/4, half a teaspoon, and obviously you need 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Okay, so this pot kind of like burned, so we're gonna go ahead and put in the garlic. So it's weird that you put the onions in first. I don't really understand that, but whatever. Maybe so that the garlic, you taste the garlic more or something. Whoops. And then you add the spices, and it's gonna be all dry. But it's okay, because then you add the lentils, and you add the water, and then you let it boil, and then we can just take a break, and I can go back to listening to music. So it looks kind of weird, I know. Tried to move the camera, but that didn't work. But honestly, it's like fantastic. So what we do now. Okay, so I always hate this part. It's when like the pot's really hot and you have to and you have to put in like the coconut milk and it goes so hot. It scares me. So I'm gonna put it down a little bit. So now we're adding the 2 cans of coconut milk. And then we're gonna add water and then we're gonna put the lentils in. So we need 6 cups of water because we're doubling the recipe. So I usually just use these because these are 398 milliliters. So like one is like 1.5 cup kind of. You have to bring this to a boil anyway, so I add more water because you're supposed to use like 14-ounce cans and these aren't 14 ounces or something. I don't know. Now we gotta, how many lentils we need? Like 2 cups or something? How many? 2 cups. So this little cup thing came with the apartment and it's not even, it's so old that it's not even 250 milliliters, which is actually what a cup is now. This is 236, so that's fun. Oh wait, these are green lentils. I'm supposed to use brown lentils. Whoops. Alrighty, so I just get the lentils in like the bag, like that helps right now. And you just go 1. And then a little more just because this isn't really a cup. Alrighty. I hope this is interesting, honestly, because I always like, I don't know, is it like boring? I don't know. What do you think? Talk to me as I like lean over. This is like the worst kitchen to make. I mean, it's not the worst kitchen. So we just kind of like leave this here, and I can put it back up because I'm not so scared. We just leave this here until it boils, and when it boils, it actually becomes a different color, which is fantastic. and then we add the potatoes in. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the like 19 potatoes that we're using, we're gonna peel them, we're gonna wash them, and we're gonna dice them up in little squares, but not too tiny squares. Like squares like kind of like this size. Don't cut your finger off though. Oh my god, I just got that image. Oh. Hello and welcome back. For you it's been 5 seconds, for me it's been 20 minutes. Now what is this 20 minutes? You have to wait until this beautiful thing, I'm just gonna move the camera, it's gonna like sound weird, but like, you get, see, look at the color! So you gotta wait till it boils, and then you like turn down the thing to medium, and then it turns into this beautiful poo color. Graphic. You just gotta make sure that the lentil, like you do it for like, you let it simmer for 20 minutes until the lentils are soft, and then you put the potatoes in, and then you're supposed to have a lid, but like, I don't know, this pot came with this apartment, so like, there's no lid. So I'm just gonna put the potatoes in, which is like so hard because I don't wanna like burn myself. Like there has to be like a way, I should Google this, like a way to put potato in boiling stuff to not burn hands. Because if I just chunk it in there, they start to fall. Anyways, so we're gonna put these in for about 15 minutes. Let it simmer again. See, I'll try this method. Yeah, so we'll let it for 15, and then after we're gonna add the peas. This is a long process, so like if you're hungry, don't do this. You should do this when you're not hungry. Like I already ate, I'm not eating this tonight. Like this is for tomorrow. But this is really good meal planning. I did try to freeze this once. The first day it's a bit liquidy. I would not recommend freezing it the first day, but after you eat like 2 servings of it, then you can actually freeze it, and I think it'll work. I've never tried it, but okay, you know what? I think this worked. The whole thing, it's great. So there's a lot of potato in here, but you know what? That's my life. So potatoes are in here, and now I'm gonna divert your attention to the other side. There's a reason there's another pot there. I have to make rice. This is the easiest thing in the world. You just turn it on. You put the oil. I usually put olive oil, but you know, I got the coconut oil out, and it's healthy, so come on. Usually it's like liquidy. Whatever. I put this in my smoothie too. That's a good thing to do, by the way. Just letting you know. A little tidbit from Chasey Poo. Put some coconut oil in your smoothies. One of those things again where you're supposed to like wait until the oil like There has to be another word for like sizzle. Is that the word I'm looking for? Sizzle. All right. So I don't know, cross contamination, whatever. So, I don't know why I did it this way. So you put the garlic in. This is not like one of those long things where you wait till it browns. Well, you have to wait till it browns, but it doesn't take like 13 years like this fucking shit. Oh, I'm swearing in the video again. Oh my god, I need to be careful. Oh my god, the smell of garlic. It's like one of my favorite smells. I love vanilla. Let's talk for a second. Let's talk. Let's have a little convo. I love the scent of a woman. I'm kidding, oh my god. I don't know what's gotten into me today. I have started to like... People kept telling me to take melatonin to fall asleep because I'm having a lot of issues falling asleep lately. So I finally took the advice of somebody and I bought melatonin, which was really hard to find, by the way, without lactose or gelatin, but I found one. So I took it, and I have the best sleep. I have weird dreams, but I have really long and like hard sleeps. Or this morning I was like, oh my god, did I sleep in? Is it 12? Oh my god, I have my thesis to, like, I have all these things I'm supposed to do in the morning. I look at my clock, it was 8, and my alarm is set for 8:30 every morning usually. So it was kind of like a mind, woo. What's the point? I feel hyper, energized, I don't know, it's great. Plus, like, the combination of that and a smoothie, it's like, Chasey Poo is on point. I also want to mention, I didn't even talk about my smells. I love the smell of vanilla, like vanilla extract when I make cupcakes. I should do a vegan kitchen of my cupcakes, but then everybody's gonna know my recipe. You know what I'm saying? Vanilla, mint, and garlic. Not all together. Ooh, whatever. Okay, so it's like browning. So you gotta put a little bit of turmeric, but like... Oh wait, no, we're supposed to put the rice in first. Whoops. Okay, so I do 2 cups of rice. If you could smell it right now, you would know that it's smelling a little bit burnt. So this isn't really 2 cups, right? So we talked about this, so I just, you know, you add a little more. So, it smells like burnt garlic. You're supposed to put a bit of turmeric, but like... You can't even see what I just did, I'm so horrible. So I just put this entire thing, I'm kidding, it was like up to here, but you get the point. I love me some turmeric. How did I live my life without this before? So you let it like get kind of crispy. It's a bit burning, Jesus. With the turmeric, usually I wouldn't have added salt, but you know, it's a new year soon, and I've realized that salt is actually good for me. Oh, whoops, that's a lot of salt. I sweat a lot, and I drink a lot of water. I'm gonna take some of that salt out. And I realized that I need the salt to actually hydrate. I don't understand. Whatever. It's like electrolyte, like the stuff that you put in your water to hydrate yourself. It's just salt, kind of. Whatever. Okay, so, and then you add the water, which is like, if I put 2 cups, that's like, do I usually do 2 or 3? I think I do 2. I'll just do 2 right now. Now we're gonna get real, okay? I wanna talk about something really quickly. Since that's being done, usually it would be Sunday nights, okay? Last year that I would buy all my food, all my groceries, and do my meal prep. So I would cook this and orzo pasta that maybe I'll make a video about. But these little details of cutting the garlic and cutting the potatoes like saved me, because it was like little details to do and little tasks at once. And it was great because at the same time I was like listening to Taylor Swift. So right now I'm just going to show what I also do for my smoothies. So I buy a bunch of blackberries because they were 3 for $5. So these are going to go bad soon, but what I do anyways with them is that I wash them all, because you got to do that. And then I actually just put them in little baggies and then put them in the freezer. So in that case, then I have like 10 to 20 bags, little bags of like 1 cup of blackberries, and that's one of the ingredients of my smoothie. So I put a banana and then blackberries, and I started to put frozen mango in my smoothies because it's like, but all of that, I don't know, it's like the details of like actually doing a task that was for me was great. So it's still helping, and I haven't done that in a while, and I want to do it again, and I'm glad that I'm like doing it now. So we'll just like wait till this shit simmers, because it's like we got a long time. The next time you see it, it'll be done. How about that? I lied, it's not done. I forgot we need to put the peas in. So like the potatoes, like if you can like put a fork through them, they're good. It's really important to like cut the potatoes on the same size, like the same size, because then it cooks evenly. But like it's hard to do when the potato's round and not square, you know what I'm saying? So it's like a guessing game. I'm kidding. So you put like a cup of this in the thing, and I mean, like, do you want me to show you? Like, I'll show you. Like, it's while the rice is going. This is like the little scene that we've got going right now. I don't even know why I measured this with the cup. I never measure it with the cup. 1 is nothing. Like literally, who eats? If you're gonna make food that's this good, why would you only put a little bit in? Like, come on, man. Like, this is good for you. Put a lot in. Like, damn. Frozen like, it needs to look good. It kind of looks like pâté chinois. What is that name? Shepherd's pie, right? Should I put a little more? Or are we happy with that? You know what? I want a little more. I've been eating a lot of like processed sugar lately, and by a lot I mean like not that much, but too much for me. So let's drown that out with some great stuff here. Yeah, so this is basically what it looks like. Another, what, 5 minutes like this, 10 minutes like this, and you're like good to go. And then you serve it with the rice. I would love to show you what it looks like, but like I said, like on a plate and make it like all nice and stuff. But I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat it right now. But I hope that this was cool. So like, I know that this video was like forever long. I'm not gonna pretend like it's not gonna be a 12-minute long video like I usually do, and they end up being like 17 minutes. But I don't know. People kept wanting, so I hope that this is good. If you want me to keep making, maybe I'll make like how I make my smoothie in the morning, because I've been drinking the same smoothie almost every single morning for a year. I love it. It gives me so much energy, and it's all natural. I put some chia seeds in there, some hemp protein. But yeah, I think that, I don't know. People keep asking me how I went vegan. I was a fat vegan before, and by that I mean like I ate a lot of fattening foods. And then last year I decided to just like change something, I don't know, and I started to eat like a lot healthier and make my own food, but I don't know. Anyways, let me know what you think. Vegan Queer Kitchen, Queer Vegan Vegan. Have a great day, and suggestions if you want me to do stuff. Have a swell. Bye.